guys.
So what
Wait
the hell?
wait lang.
So, hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm back. And sorry sa kasi hindi na nag-upload. Pero, tignan mo yun. Wait mo yun.
Yan. Yes. So with that, wow. Ayun pa isa. Yan. Wow. Okay, tara na lahat tayo. By the way, I'm the cameraman.
Yeah, ito po yung bagong cameraman ko. Yes, ayan po si Denver. And yeah. So we're walking here on the trail of the train. Yes. So my cameraman just like wait, sorry guys, the truck is so loud. And ito nga pinundan ko si Denver dito para gumala. Tapos guys, Denver, pakita mo. So ayan, si Denver nga inaya ko dito sa
Train tracks, by the way.
Trail ano?
Train trails.
Yes, ayun. Pakita mo yung train. So, yun o. Ay, ito. Pakita mo yan. Tignan mo yung ulap.
Wow. How long been you not uploaded, by the way?
Like 7 weeks or 6 days, 3 days, 5 days, like that. Sorry guys, I cut the camera. I was like not uploading like hindi ako nag-upload ng video for like 6 days, 7 days, 1 week, ganon. 4, 5 days, 4 days. So ngayon, ito nga ang bago kong video. So, okay na ako lahat. Pakita mo yun, live.
So far here, and we're not cutting the video. So
We're not going to cut the video.
So sorry for not uploading.
Twice a week.
Maybe next time we'll upload every day. If we
Not
don't,
every day, just like just a week. Cut muna. Okay guys, we're back. I just cut the video of this.
what the
Fuck!
why? Why?
There's a frog right in there!
The hell?
Okay.
Nah, don't
Keep filming mo.
just don't mind the. Just don't mind the frog.
Okay, so
It's just a mistake.
okay guys, I got the video good.
Yeah.
It's internal storage. Pero pakita mo yun, lap na natin.
Oh, we're so close there.
You might the rock. Yeah.
Oh,
Fuck. See, wait.
how did you fall?
Wait. No, just a rock. Sorry guys. I just fall into the rocks. And now we are here to our destination.
Oh, bug slipping. Cause I won't stand this, the changes. And
And yes, there we are. We are here at the shrine, and the other is so far away in there. And yes, we're back. We're back here. And yes, we're going up. Oh,
don't remind it.
yeah. It's not believable. Right. So we're going to. It's my cameraman. We're going to the court. Yes, not the copper court, but this court. Okay. Now, guys,
We're just walking a few. I just got the video. Pero guys, ito na nga. Ganito na kami. Yes.
Store open.
So, a store. Okay. Where are we going now?
You didn't know how I know how to speak Tagalog.
Bro, we're Filipinos.
Oh yeah, right.
Okay guys, I will cut the video. I will walk for a few while. Okay, bye.
Yes.
We are here. Denver. Right here. My cameraman. And we're walking a few. What?
That is what I said. Like this.
Alright.
So this is the house. Like yeah, there's this thing. That is where I live.
Yeah. That's where we live. So
I love you.
yeah. Wait, I'm gonna go. Bye. Alright guys, I will end the video.
This is I think part 5.
So subscribe. This part 1, bro. This part 1 of the trail. We just go through. So this the this is where it ends. Bye bye guys. See you
Like
in
and
part
subscribe.
2. Like and subscribe. Hit the bell notification and share this to someone. Bye bye.